Nice.
Now I'll record for half an hour. Okay. So everybody know how to download, how to upload. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can always ask. Correct. So
Okay,
keep
sir.
any.
So,
Sorry.
okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Chalo.
sir.
ठीक है. Now, how many of you know addition, subtraction, multiplication, division?
Everything I know, sir.
Everybody?
No. Yes.
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 Very good. ठीक है. चलो. Everybody knows everything. Okay. Vivan? Percent?
Yes. Yes.
Very good. So everybody knows. Those anybody who has a difficulty in single digit table?
None.
ठीक है. चलो. I'll ask. चलो. Adya, ready?
Yes.
Okay. I'll give you little test, right? Rapid fire round. Everybody knows what is rapid fire round?
Yes. Yes.
I'll do rapid fire round with everyone. Correct?
Yes.
And we'll do number categorization. What is number and how you can grouping them, right? Clear? Are they ready?
Yes.
Table,
Yes.
you know what is rapid fire round, right?
Yes.
What is rapid fire round? Tell me.
We have to answer quickly.
Very good. So I'll ask question. I keep firing questions and you have to rapidly answer, right? So that is.
Sir, we all have to do.
No, only two person who ask, right?
Okay.
So I'll give everybody chance. Okay, so everybody has to listen. The person who is answering, everybody has to note down where she is doing mistake. Suppose if I say 6 8 she says 49, which is wrong, right? So you note down 6 8 she is done wrong. Clear?
Yes.
Is everybody clear?
Yes.
So everybody is having a book or pen with them or pencil?
Yes.
Very good. So you should
No,
write
sir.
the name Adya. Okay, after she finishes, if she had done mistake, I'll ask you any mistake and you have to answer me, yes, there was a mistake. Clear?
Right.
Chalo, Adya, ready?
Sir, wait 2 minutes.
Fatafat. You should be ready for this.
Wait, ma'am. Wait, sir.
Her tables are very easy to from 1 to 10.
Yeah, I am going to ask you 1 to 10 table only, not beyond.
It's very easy.
अरे मेरी जान रुक जा ऋषित. Okay, चल. Adya ready? Everybody
Yes.
ready?
Yes. No, sir.
चलो. You just have to answer. Okay, Adya. 6 8
48.
6 9
54.
9 7
63.
7 8
56.
8 2
16.
5 2
10.
5 7
35.
7 7
11 7.
7 7
Oh, 49.
Okay, 9 8
62. No, 72. Wrong.
हाँ?
72.
हेलो, कोई बीच में डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेगा. यू हैव टू नोट डाउन. यू डोंट हैव टू इमीडिएटली रिपेयर इट, राइट? इमीडिएटली बोलना नहीं है, गलत है. लेट हर करेक्ट इट when she gives the final answer. After she finishes everything, then I'll say any mistake. Okay, 9 9
81.
8 8
64.
7 6
42.
Okay, everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Did she do any mistake in the final answer? I'm taking only final answer.
No.
No.
Everything was correct, right? Yes, very good. Vidhi, ready?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I want to ask a question.
क्या भाई? तो हाथ ऊपर कर. If you want to ask the question, raise your hand. Without that, you cannot ask the question. अच्छा. Okay. Yes. Okay, Rishit, tell me.
Sir, who says the fastest answer will be the winner?
नहीं, ऐसा कोई विनर नहीं है. Everybody should know. There is no timer I am making. Right? There is no winner. Okay, चलो next. Okay, ready?
Yes, sir.
Whose turn?
Vidhi.
हाँ?
Vidhi. I.
My क्या होता है?
Vidhi.
Who is my? So everybody say my turn, right? How will I know who is telling? My what?
Vidhi.
Vidhi. Very good. ठीक है. चलो Vidhi. Okay.
Yes.
8 5
8 5.
Question repeat नहीं करना, सीधा आंसर बोलना है. I am loud and clear. You can hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Loudly.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
ठीक है.
sir.
Yes, Vidhi. 8 5
Uh, 35.
हाँ, क्या हो गया? अभी गाड़ी तेरी आगे निकल गई, गाड़ी पीछे रुक गई, राइट? नाउ दिस इज व्हाट विल हैपन, दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू सी. चलो, ओके, 9 8 जा.
72.
Okay, 7 5 जा.
35.
Okay, 5 9 जा.
45.
Okay, 9 3 जा.
27.
Okay, 3 5 जा.
15.
5 8 जा.
40.
Very good, ठीक है. मम्मी है?
है.
बुलाओ एक मिनट. Now this is for everyone. Those parents are present.
Yes,
Ma'am,
sir. Good morning, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
now
sir.
I'll tell you what she is
My
doing.
parent is not present.
अरे नहीं प्रॉब्लम है, ठीक है, जिसको आता है प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Those who are doing this. Okay, ma'am, I'll tell you what she is doing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When I say 8 5 जा, तो 8 1 8 2 8 ऐसा करके वो 40 बोलती है, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो कभी गाड़ी आगे रुकेगी, गाड़ी पीछे रुकेगी, right? I'm going to give you some worksheets. Okay. That
Yes, sir.
every day 5 minutes in the morning, 5 days in the evening, 5 minutes in the evening, she has to practice. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
Give her a solution. It's a dodging table. Okay. Now what happens is she has a habit. Okay. That because you are asking tables, and that is why exactly I don't ask parents to do it. Okay, 5 का table बोलो, 10 का table बोलो, 7 का table बोलो. So they will have a habit of 7, 14, 21, 28, 20. वो जब तक वो he will not get in sequence, they will not know, right?
Yes.
Okay, then I'm just giving you that. You remind me if I don't send the worksheet, you tell me. I'll send you 10 worksheets. One worksheet has around 170 or 180 questions. Okay, every day she should do 5 minutes with the timer. Okay, and Vidhi, I'll give you solution also, right?
Okay.
Take a printout and do it. Okay, so you get a good speed. Okay, and you can look at the solution, but you don't have to say 7 1 7 2 7 3. No, leave that habit. Do it for 1 week, 10 days. Next week, every week you are on my spotlight now. Every week I'll ask you this, unless you get very quick like this, right?
Yes.
5 जा 40, 7 9 जा 63. Like this, you should come fast.
Okay.
ठीक है, done. And it is very easy. Don't worry, it will go because थोड़ा practice गलत तरीके से हुआ है. It will go. Okay, don't worry. Okay, चलो. Okay, next. Who is that? Avni.
Okay.
Avni is doing this practice every day, है ना Avni?
Yes.
Okay. आज जब आप join किया था, अवनी ने क्या बोला? Sir, I reached to 74, right? In 5 minutes, she could do 74 sums, right? So your target should be 100, right? Everybody try that. Okay.
Sir, I have already done 100 once.
Very good. ठीक है. Okay. Avni, ready? Okay. 5 3 था.
5 3 था.
Answer नहीं बोला, question नहीं बोलेगा, answer बोल direct.
15.
Okay. 3 9 था.
3. 27.
3 9 था.
27.
हाँ, clear बोल. घाई से नहीं बोलेगा, आराम से बोल, clear बोल. Okay. 9 5 था.
45.
5 6 था.
5 6 था. 30.
हाँ, 5 6 था नहीं बोलेगा, सीधा 30. वो टाइम लेती है, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता है क्या? 5 6 था जब मैं बोलता हूँ उसी टाइम पे ले लेने का, उसी टाइम पे डायरेक्ट 30 बोलेगा. 6 7 था.
42.
हाँ, 7 9 था.
57 9. 56. 9 7 63.
हाँ, ये गड़बड़ होता है, समझ में आया ना? ओके.
हाँ.
9 8 था.
9 8 72.
हाँ, 9 8 था नहीं बोलने का रे. 8 6 था.
48.
8 3 था.
24.
3 6 था.
18.
5 7 था.
35.
हाँ, ठीक है. थोड़ा स्पीड बढ़ा अभी, इसके लिए तेरा अटक रहा है, राइट?
Sir,
एवरी
she
डे
did a
यू डू 5 5 मिनट्स.
Sir, she did a mistake in 9 3 था.
9 3 था बराबर है बेटा. 27 बोला उससे, तेरे को 21 सुना. पहले मेरे को भी 21 सुना था, बाद में उसे
Sir, I got 24.
नहीं नहीं बराबर बोला था उसे. इट इज नॉट रॉन्ग. ठीक है, चलो रुचित, रेडी?
Yes.
ओके. 5 5 था.
25.
7 3 था.
21.
Okay, everybody keep quiet. Okay, listen what he is saying. Okay, 6 8 था.
6 8.
हाँ,
6 8 42.
हाँ शाबाश.
अरे यार.
6 8 जा 42.
48.
यही गड़बड़ होता है. दूसरे का मिस्टेक ढूंढ रहा है, अपना नहीं मिल रहा तेरे को. ओके 8 9 जा.
72.
ओके 9 5 जा.
45.
5 है.
9 5 are 45.
हाँ. ओके 5 7 जा.
5 35.
7 7 जा.
49.
7 8 7 6 जा.
42.
है.
7 6 are 42.
हाँ 8 4 जा.
8 4 are 32.
बहुत टाइम बेटा, इतना टाइम नहीं लगना चाहिए. मिश्का रेडी.
हाँ.
वेरी गुड. ठीक है. आई थिंक एवरीबडी आई हैव टू गिव द वर्कशीट नाउ. मिश्का रेडी ना. ओके 4 3 जा.
12.
7 4 जा.
21. No, 28.
You have the same problem. Okay 8 5 जा.
40.
ओके 4 9 जा.
37.
है.
36. 36.
37 कहाँ से हो गया? 37 इज द प्राइम नंबर. ओके 9 5 जा.
45.
वेरी गुड. ठीक है. टेकिंग लॉन्ग टाइम. वेरी नाइस. ओके आद्या हो गई. विवान बाकी है. विधि हो गई. अदुआई. अदुआई
Yes.
रेडी.
Yes.
ओके
First question.
5 4 जा.
20.
4 9 जा.
36.
9 5 जा.
45.
5 7 जा.
35.
7 9 जा.
63.
63 के पीछे इतना बड़ा क्वेश्चन मार्क क्यों है बेटा? है. 9 8 जा.
72.
7 4 जा.
28.
क्यों इतना भाई क्वेश्चन मार्क क्यों है पीछे? वेरी गुड. विवान
Sir.
रेडी.
Ready.
ओके 6 5 जा.
6 5 are 30.
क्वेश्चन नहीं रिपीट करना, ओनली आंसर. ओके 6 7 जा. 6 7 जा.
I doubt. 48.
हाँ
48.
6 7 जा 48. शाबाश. वेरी गुड. ओके 8 9 जा.
8 8 9 are 72.
ओके 8 8 जा.
61.
हाँ
61.
61.
Sir, I doubt. But
वेरी गुड. ठीक है. वेरी नाइस. वन्या
Yes, sir.
रेडी.
Yes.
रुक जा.
We wanted one mistake. 7
मालूम
6
है.
are.
वो तो
We
बोला ना.
got 48.
करेक्ट. वो मैंने तब तो बोला. वेरी गुड. 42 आना चाहिए था. राइट.
Yes, sir.
वन्या
Yes, sir.
वो सब राजधानी में बैठे बेटा. बुलेट ट्रेन में कोई आगे चला जाता है, कोई पीछे उतर जाता है.
Sir?
यस.
Can I go to washroom?
हु बेटा? कैन आई हु?
Me.
हु मी?
Ready.
हाँ विधि. हाँ वो सारे जन तो मी है ना. सारे जन तो आई है. राइट. हाउ डू आई नो हु इज टॉकिंग टू मी? ठीक है. यू शुड से कैन विधि गो टू वॉशरूम. कैन आद्या गो टू वॉशरूम. कैन अद्वई गो टू दिस. ओके चलो. वन्या रेडी.
Yes. Sir, can Vivan go to washroom?
यस. ओके ओके वन्या रेडी बेटा.
Yes.
ओके 4 9 जा.
Sir, can Mishika go to the washroom?
यस बेटा गो.
36.
वेरी गुड. 9 4 जा.
36.
9 3 जा.
27.
3 7 जा.
21.
7 6 जा.
42.
6 9 जा.
What?
6 9 जा.
6.
6 9 जा. 6 multiplied by 9. Manya.
54.
Okay. 9 multiplied by 8. 9 8s are.
72.
Okay. 8 7s are.
56.
Very good. ठीक है. चलो और कौन बच गया now? विवान होगा. मिश्का done. Who else remaining? अवनी हो गई. ऋषित हो गया. विधि हो गई. मिश्का. आद्या. वन्या. अद्वै. विवान. Everything is done. Everyone done, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. चलो. Now whoever this thing is there, okay, you can call the parents, right?
What, sir?
जिसके पेरेंट प्रेजेंट है उसको बुलाओ. ओके.
ठीक है.
वेरी गुड. ठीक है. आद्या का सर प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आद्या इज ओनली वन स्टूडेंट. उसे खटाखट बोला है. ठीक है. सो आद्या देखो आगे तुमने प्रैक्टिस किया ना. आज मेरे को छुट्टी. अभी सबको वर्कशीट मिलेगी 10-10. सबको 5 मिनट सुबह शाम घिसना पड़ेगा. राइट. तू खाली छुट्टी है उससे. राइट.
नहीं सर, मुझे भी वर्कशीट चाहिए.
चाहिए तो दे देगा. चाहिए तो दे देगा. ओके. यू वांट पीडीएफ वाला वर्कशीट और यू वांट एक्सेल वर्कशीट. व्हिच वन यू वांट? एक्सेल चाहिए. ठीक है. चलो एक्सेल. ओके. नाउ लिसन एवरीवन. हेलो पेरेंट्स. ओके. एक्सेप्ट आद्या.
call my parent also?
हाँ.
Do I have to
तेरा
call my parent?
Available.
तेरा तो चल रहा है ऑलरेडी. तेरे को तो असाइनमेंट दिया हुआ है मैंने. राइट. सो आई एम गिविंग राइटिंग
My-
आल्सो. अभी प्रिंट आउट निकालना.
My
ओके.
parent is not available.
हेलो.
My parent is not available.
who's parent?
Vivan.
विवान. हाँ ठीक है. चलो मम्मी को बोलना मेरे को फोन करे. ठीक है. डोंट वरी. I am going to give you a link of the worksheet or the PDF format. Okay, and I give you on the Excel also. Which one you want? Excel or PDF?
I want
It's a PDF.
PDF. I'll give PDF so you can take a printout. Okay, and give, because it is better to give them writing. Okay, in that you will have solution also. I'll tell you what. At grade 4, fortunately I taken all this. I never assume that everybody will have fumble in this sort of thing, right? So those who are recording, I'll just ask every parent to go through the last 10 minutes recording. Those who are not present, okay, every day. This is my first and foremost task.
sir.
They should be like this. Okay, those who parent not there, Adya, mic on kar. Okay, I'm giving you demo how fast or how quick you should be, right? Adya मेरी 3 साल से student है. It is not that she has done something wonderfully. Only thing is she has a lot of practice. That's it. Okay. Okay. Only thing is you need to practice. There is nothing wrong. Okay. If you are going slow, doesn't matter. Okay. Now we have to make sure that how you reach to that level, right? Clear? Okay, Mishka. Okay. So you don't have to do 10 worksheet in a day. Okay. You have to do only 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes in the evening. Okay, clear? And I'm also giving you a solution for this. Clear? Okay, Adya, ready?
Yeah.
क्या खा रही है?
Cherry.
चेरी. ओके ठीक है. 2 मिनट के बाद खा. ठीक है. ओके. चलो रेडी. 5 7 दा.
35.
7 9 दा.
63.
7 3 दा.
21.
3 7 दा.
21.
7 8 दा.
56.
6 9 दा.
54.
8 6 दा.
48.
7 6 दा.
42.
Understood? This speed you should get it, right? Secondly, what they do is, those who are doing, listen very carefully, those who are doing, okay, tell me 7 table, tell me 8 table, what will happen? They have a habit, like Vidhi has a habit. Okay, when I say 7 8 da, she starts from 7 1 da, 7 2 da, 7 3 da, 7 4 da. Something you are murmuring. Something you are murmuring. Okay, I can see your lips was going up and down, right? So I can check that. But only thing is, practice it. I'm going to give you dodgy table. I'll show you the table worksheet here also. Okay. I'm going to show the worksheet. So don't worry. This is not a problem. But this is the base minimum thing everybody should know. The base thing. that everybody should know because multiplication is king of mathematics. What is?
King of mathematics.
Sir,
Very good.
Who is the queen of
Sir.
mathematics?
Division.
sir,
Division is queen of mathematics. Okay. And you know who is the king father and king mother?
Addition and subtraction.
Correct. Addition and subtraction are the mother and father. And who is the children of king and queen?
multiplication and division.
Wait,
Multiplication is the king.
odd mass.
No. Root.
Fractions.
Sir,
Root.
odd mass.
No more
Decimals.
mass. Root.
Algebra.
Decimal.
Algebra.
Array, root. Powers and roots.
Power roots, yes.
Powers and roots are the
Fractions and
Children.
power.
Roots and power.
powers and roots. Okay. तो अभी आएगा तुम्हारे लिए नया है. Don't worry. Okay. But I'm sharing.
Sir, can I leave? I have to go out.
Sorry.
Vivan is talking.
What happens, beta?
Vivan is saying, I'm Vivan and I'm telling that can I leave? I have to go
Why?
out somewhere.
Where you want to go, beta?
I can stay for 2 minutes if you want.
Sorry.
I'll stay for 2 minutes if you want.
But where you want to go? That is what I'm saying.
I've come in the hotel. I have to go home now. I've just
So you
in the
come to hotel. Which hotel you came?
Beverly. From Borivali, I've come to Sovereign.
Acha for what? Acha for stay.
Yeah, just for a visit.
Acha, okay. ठीक है. चलो, wait for 2-3 minutes. I'm going to end, right? I'm going to show you the worksheet. So at least you know what exactly you will be able to do, right?
Okay,
So
sir.
can you see the worksheet here?
Pay attention.
Can you see my screen, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You want Excel worksheet or you want PDF? What do you want? You want to type? You want to type or you want
PDF.
PDF.
Okay, chalo. I'll give you PDF and PDF you can take a printout. Only thing is in this you have a benefit, but I'll start doing it. Those who have printer, take a PDF or you can write online, right? In Excel.
Yes. Sir, can
PDF is faster because you know how to take a printout. You can quickly write down, right?
Yes, sir.
Everybody has a table chart with them. It at home.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Those who
sir.
don't have, those who don't have, okay, tell me. But 2 worksheet out of this, I'll give you on the Excel format. This which I'm showing, right? 2 worksheet, which you have to complete by next class, right? That is, I'm going to give you in classroom, and that you have to download in Excel, right?
Sir, I don't have table. I don't.
Sorry, which
Sir,
table?
So we also don't have. You're talking about which table?
No, table is multiplication table 1 to 10.
We have to take out a printout and paste it.
No. 1 minute.
Don't
1
have
minute.
a table chart.
Solution for tables.
Sir,
Ah,
can I get both Excel and PDF?
who, beta?
Me.
Vidhi, huh?
Who me?
But I'll give you 10 worksheet. Don't worry. PDF will have 10 worksheet. 2 worksheet. I'm going to give you on the Google Classroom, right? Okay. So don't worry.
Yes.
Sir,
This table chart we have to print out and paste on in the room, something like that.
Yes. You can print out or you can give it to them. Okay. So they will put it and they will put it on the this thing. Don't worry. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah, bol beta.
you can give me anything like PDF also or and Excel also because we have a printer also at home.
So printer, you will get a good speed because you write, it is very clear. But I'll give you this also. For example, here got a 64. Can you see this? Here the benefit is that when you write the answer, you will get the correct. See, the moment I write the wrong answer, I'll get a wrong smiley. Correct?
Yes.
But
Sir,
here,
afterwards my father will check it and tell which one is wrong.
who beta?
My father will check. My father will check it and then tell which one is wrong.
Whose father is will check?
Adya.
आद्या क्यों पापा को काम पे लगा रहे? पापा को और भी काम है ना?
Sir, but sometimes my father just roams here and there without work.
But you also check ना? Why you want father to check? You also check.
Sir, I also check sometimes.
बस तो फिर ठीक है.
My father's.
ठीक है. Okay, if he wants to do it, I'm okay with it, right? Okay, so I'm giving you this. Okay,
Yes,
I can
sir.
give table worksheet for PDF also, right? PDF, the same worksheet is there in PDF format, right? Is it clear?
Magics. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have a question.
What question you have, beta?
What's a magic square?
Beta, there are a lot of things are there. ये bundle में बहुत कुछ है. Don't worry. Okay, you will explain, you will learn everything. Don't worry. Correct?
Mom, Singapore.
हाँ बेटा यहाँ पे बहुत कुछ दिखेगा तेरे को. Don't worry. Don't go on to this. Okay?
Sir.
So I am giving you this both.
Anuj.
हाँ बोल बेटा.
I want Excel.
Okay, ठीक है. You will get Excel also. Excel, I'll give 2 worksheet. Okay. If you
Okay.
don't have a printer facility, you let me know. Okay. But Excel, you will get 2 worksheet, right?
Sir, it is for everyone.
2 worksheet for everyone. That is in a classroom. I'll upload in the classroom. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And PDF, I'll give you 10 worksheets, right? That everybody has to solve. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sorry?
You're given 2 worksheets extra.
No. 2 worksheet I am going to give you on classroom, which is going to be Excel. You have to download in Excel and upload in Excel, right? When you upload, you have to convert into PDF and upload, right?
Okay.
Okay, as you are doing last year also. But those who are not understanding, I'll explain them, right? But every day, 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes in the evening, and you have to send me the report every day. What exactly you are doing. And this is for the parents. That is what I'm going to take. Everyone, listen to last 15 minutes of this thing for the parents. And those who don't do it, tell me. Okay? क्या होगा? कोई नहीं करेगा दादिया? क्या करना पड़ेगा?
घर बुलाना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, कितने बजे?
सुबह 7 बजे.
Very good. Understood? Those who don't do it, they will come at my place at 7 o'clock. And Mishka, you have to take a flight to come to my place. So you have to stay for 2 days. Okay? So make sure that you don't default. Okay? All are from Mumbai, you are from Bangalore. And Avni, tu to aayi rahi na next week mein apne paas.
I'm very near from you.
Okay? Sorry? What happened? Everybody got hang. मेरा इंटरनेट गया क्या? ठीक है? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Am I audible?